Collaborative creativity, fostering innovation in teams. Title: Collaborative creativity, fostering innovation in teams. Introduction, 100 words. In today's fast-paced and competitive world, innovation is crucial for organizations to stay ahead. However, driving innovation requires more than just individual brilliance, it demands a collaboration. They approach. Collaborative creativity, the process of generating creative ideas and solutions through teamwork, is becoming increasingly recognized as a key driver for innovation in teams. This article explores the importance of collaborative creativity in fostering innovation within teams, highlighting its benefits, challenges, and strategies for successfully harnessing its potential. Benefits of collaborative creativity, 250 words. Collaborative creativity offers numerous benefits to teams striving for innovation. Firstly, it brings together individuals with diverse backgrounds, skills, and perspectives. This diversity can lead to a wider range of ideas and approaches, creating a fertile ground for innovation. By pooling their collective knowledge and experiences, team members can offer unique insights that may not have been achievable individually. Furthermore, collaborative creativity encourages a sense of ownership and engagement among team members. When individuals are actively involved in the process, they feel valued and motivated, leading to increased commitment to achieving innovative outcomes. This collaborative spirit also promotes a positive team culture, fostering trust, open communication, and mutual respect. Moreover, collaborative creativity enables rapid iteration and refinement of ideas. As team members collaborate and build upon each other's contributions, they can collectively identify and address weaknesses or limitations in their ideas. This iterative process facilitates continuous improvement and increases the likelihood of innovative solutions that meet user needs effectively. Challenges and strategies, 350 words. While collaborative creativity holds significant potential, it also presents challenges that teams must overcome. One common challenge is the risk of groupthink, where team members prioritize consensus over creative dissent. To mitigate this challenge, team leaders should encourage open dialogue and create a safe environment for dissenting opinions. Emphasizing the value of constructive criticism and perspectives different from their own can foster healthy debate and help teams avoid pitfalls associated with groupthink. Another challenge lies in managing time and resources. Collaborative creativity often demands more time and effort compared to individual work. Balancing individual and collaborative tasks can be a challenge when team members already have demanding workloads. Furthermore, differences in communication styles and personalities can hinder effective collaboration within teams. It is crucial to establish effective communication channels and strategies that accommodate different preferences. Regular team meetings, brainstorming sessions, and technology-enabled collaboration platforms can facilitate better information sharing and foster a culture of open communication. Strategies for successfully harnessing collaborative creativity include 2. Encouraging psychological safety, creating an environment where team members feel safe to express their ideas without fear of judgment or repercussion promotes open collaboration and creativity. 3. Promoting cross-functional collaboration, encouraging diverse expertise and perspectives from different departments or areas of specialization increases the likelihood of novel solutions. Collaborative creativity is a powerful tool for fostering innovation in teams. By bringing together individuals with diverse backgrounds and perspectives, teams can generate a wide range of ideas and approaches that may not have been possible individually. This diversity also encourages a sense of ownership and engagement among team members, leading to increased commitment and motivation to achieve innovative outcomes. In addition, the collaborative nature of creativity allows for rapid iteration and refinement of ideas. By building upon each other's contributions, teams can identify and address weaknesses, resulting in innovative solutions that effectively